Okay, welcome back to Shaving Down Under. I've got a couple of unboxings here to do. Got one from America. Let's have a look at that first. And it's saying that, yep, beautiful. It's made of the knife. Let's have a look. This one here would be better if I was left-handed. There we go. Here comes the cat. Okay. Let's put that down to one side. And we open it up. And here we are, people. We have a bell bottom. Whoops. Cat. Hang on. Come on, little man. Come down. So, bell bottom razor. I've got a beautiful one in my collection. It's actual new old stock. It was still in the box. It had never been used, never been touched. It was an amazing score. Just so lucky to score it, and there's no way I was going to shave with it. So I thought I'd really like to find one that I can shave with. And yeah, some beautiful condition. Let's see if we can get the code there. I'll have to check that out myself a bit later. Exciting stuff. It's the first time I've actually handled a bell tube. Really nice. Okay, so this one's from Australia. Maybe it's here. Nicely wrapped up. Here we go. Back. So this is a number 58 set, a Gillette obviously. So the case is, it's funny how these red cases have got that, a lot of them, not all of them, but a lot of them got that black spotting on them. Strange stuff. Oh, some Lafana and the old Gillette thins. So that's inside the case. So I didn't buy this. I didn't realise I had the loop on it. Oh, that leather's hard as a rock. So I didn't buy this one for the case. I've got a beautiful one in my display, which I might even show you. But I thought the razor looked in really nice condition. So I thought I got this for a nice price. I wanted one that I could shave with. That opens up nicely. A little bit stiff, but nothing unusual. Closes evenly. So there it is, people. Beautiful razor. So I'm looking forward to shaving with that. I'm going to play around with this case. Put the two together there. Whoops. What I'll do is I'll just go show you my display razor. Rightio. So as you can see, this is my display one. Once again, the black spots, I don't know what that's all about. Maybe if you're watching and you do know what it's doing there, you can drop a comment, let me know. So you compare the two cases. And inside, that's where the differences are. This came with this one. I probably added that. And this is the razor. So this is in really nice condition, and yeah, I probably could shave with it. You know, why not, sort of thing. Probably a bit stiffer than the one I've bought, but just needs a bit of mineral oil. But yeah, I like to have one that I can have on display and then have another that I can shave with. Okay, so I'll just show you those two again. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll chat soon. Ciao for now.